are making it out on this beautiful day. Gonna make it to one of my favorite spots in Annapolis, potentially one of my favorite spots anywhere. Gonna show you guys the new camera that I got. Kind of a little hint is it is a mirrorless camera. I've been wanting one for a very long time and kind of realized that it fits into what I need with doing this as my main thing now. So we're going to tell you guys what camera I got, but also going to explain why I think it's beneficial for motovloggers in general, not just me specifically. But I will get to that when we get to where we're going. Super excited to get out. It's been a hectic of a week, but just found out yesterday that our car is claimed as totaled now. So we are waiting for reimbursement of our loss, and then we'll be in the market for a new car. We have a Nissan Versa, which gets amazing gas mileage and actually makes me kind of want one now. So I don't know, gotta talk to my wife. It's mostly gonna be her car, so let's make this trip short for you guys and jump to where we're going. Okay, we are not quite there, but this is the neighborhood leading up to the place that I'm going, and I love this neighborhood. Like, I want to live in that garage. Have a nice little apartment up top, park the motorcycle and whatever new car we get down below. If that was your house and you're up for that, let me know down in the description or just private message me. Let's see if the gate is closed or open. So this is Thomas Point Park. This is a park that I found with one of my best friends. We're out on our bicycles. It's a beautiful peninsula right on the Chesapeake Bay. But also, the main reason why this is such a special place to me is this is where my wife and I got married. Alright, I think this will be a pretty good spot. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if yeah, don't thumbs down for any reason. I guess actually I'll just use this rock. So, are you guys ready to see what camera it is? Voila! So it is the Fujifilm XS10, and I decided to go with the 23mm lens. It goes down to 1.4. The reason why I decided to do this one, because I was looking at a bunch of different cameras, couldn't decide what I wanted to go with. Was originally looking at like just a simple point and shoot with a built-in lens, and then basically everyone was like, oh, you need to get something that has a, why can I not think, removable lens. I feel like there's a different word, but yeah, everyone was saying that because I was originally looking at Sony, ideally going to get Sony, but I love a film camera. I personally am too impatient to essentially do film. I would love to do it in the future. I will aim to do it sometime, but wanting something that I can take pictures, upload to the computer. The main reason why, well, I mean, there's a few main reasons, but having this Fujifilm camera, hopefully you guys can see these. There's different, they have built-in different film rolls that they make. They have built-in different characteristics to digital from those specific film rolls, which I think is awesome. I cannot take pictures and talk at the same time. I tried to make this video once already and found that out. I kind of got stuck in the having to have my picture as crisp as possible and has to be like pinpoint perfect, but then realizing the main thing that I like, I will do something like this. The thing that really talked me into this is I hate how the iPhone has like a bubble-ish to it, even no matter if you try to make it as linear as possible, but when you do that, when you zoom out, you just lose all the quality of what megapixels you actually do get, which is what talked me into this. Also, I fell down the rabbit hole of wanting to get a video first camera, but then realizing I'm on the bike most of the time, so having one where I need both hands to like video and do, let's see if I can be cool and do this. So realizing that with this camera I can even do that. So 4K 30 frames a second, that's all that I really use in filming of my highest quality anyhow. But yeah, just figuring out that realistically I want a photograph first camera. I kept coming back to this one and finally pulled the trigger, decided to do a prime lens. The 23 with a crop lens is the equivalent of a 35, goes down to 1.4, so this is fantastic for nighttime. Fuji lens protector on here, has a built-in flash if need be. I love this thing. I have only had this out, this is the second day. I already think that okay, let me take that back. Not every motovlogger needs one, but I highly recommend it because, like, you're into the motorcycle that you're riding. Like, the whole reason why you look online for anything is because you're like, oh, like, I want my bike to look good. Let's see what other people have done. Okay, can't talk again. Just stepped on a stick and almost tripped. iPhones are sweet, but having to do so much editing to the photos, realizing that I can do this and it comes pretty much perfect, obviously once you get used to it, comes pretty much perfect directly out of the camera. I think everyone should have this. I'm going to sit here, go around, take some different pictures, and basically we'll probably start So that has been an absolute blast. I've been here for probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But how could you not want to spend time here? Definitely be back, especially with the family, and get some really nice photos now that I have a real camera. It's so tricky back here. It's so pretty. You want to look everywhere, but there's these grenades on the ground. Now we are just going to head back and take the long way home. So thank you for coming along with the video today. I had a nice chill ride. I am new to having my own mirrorless camera, so still getting used to it, but already absolutely loving the Fuji camera that I decided to pick out and get. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. It means so much to me. If you guys like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. and subscribe. Let's see where we go next time.